Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT test 2025 preparation quick revision. Dear students, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। All alpha amino acids give positive result. Option A, Millen's test. B, Biuret test. C, Xanthoprotect test. And option D, Mendenhall test. So the correct option is D, Mendenhall test. Explanation is Mendenhall reacts with all alpha amino acid producing a purple color. A bond formed by the sharing of electron is called dash. Option A, ionic bond. B, covalent bond. C, hydrogen bond. And option D, metallic bond. So the correct option is B, covalent bond. Covalent bonds involve electron sharing between atoms. For example, H2O. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Isoelectric pH is that pH at which protein is electrically dash. Option A, neutral. B, anionic. B, cationic. And option D, none of these. So the correct option is A, neutral. At pH, positive and negative charges balance. The number of protons in an atom is called option A, mass of number. B, atomic number. C, neutron number. And option D, valency. So the correct option is B, atomic number. The atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus defining the element. Proton deficiency disease is known as option A, Cushing's disease. B, Fabry's disease. Option C, Parkinson's disease. And option D, Kwashiorkor and marasmus. So the correct option is D, Kwashiorkor and marasmus. These are two main protein energy malnutrition disorder. The smallest particle of an element that can take part in a chemical reaction. Option A, electron. B, atom. C, molecule. And option D, proton. So the correct option is B, atom. Explanation is an atom is the smallest unit of an element that retains its chemical properties and can participate in reactions. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। The recommended daily allowance of protein for an adult man is dash. Option A, 70 gram. B, 50 gram. C, 40 gram. And option D, 30 gram. So the correct option is A, 70 gram. And the total protein percentage of alpha 1 globulin is about dash. Option A, 0.2 to 1.2%. B, 1.2 to 2.0%. Option C, 2.4 to 4.4%. and option D 5.0 to 10.0%. So the correct option is B 1.2 to 2.0%. Explanation is alpha 1 globulin, for example alpha 1 antitrypsin, constitute 1.2 to 2.0% of total serum proteins. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. An OH group is present in the side chain of dash. Option A serine, B arginine, C lysine, and option D proline. So the correct option is A serine. Serine contains a hydroxyl group in its side chain, making it polar and hydrophilic. This group is important for phosphorylation reactions in cell signaling. Thank you for watching my videos.